Let us continue with the problem. So we have done FIFO, optimal. So now we'll see LRU. LRU is a least recently used page replacement algorithm. So in the previous two sessions in our videos, we have seen the FIFO algorithm, optimal algorithm. LRU means we are going to do the completely different method we followed in optimal. In optimal we were using the forward searching. In LRU we are going to use the backward searching. Okay, so that is the least recently used algorithm we can tell. And the major difference between the FIFO and optimal is, so actually optimal, it is going to search the memory or the pages in a forward direction, and then the FIFO algorithm, it uses the time when the page was brought into a memory. So in the same way the LRU is also be used, but it can be used in a backward search. Let us see how it can be used. So already I have written the reference string, same way I have used for FIFO and optimal. In the same way you need to write for LRU also. I have written LRU is the least recently used, and again 3 frames, right? In the question this is the same question, right? So that's why the frames also same here, that is a 3 frames. I'm going to write that one. So first fill out the 3 frames. For that we are not going to apply any algorithm. So I'm going to insert 7, and then next element to be inserted is 0, 7, 0, and next I'm going to insert 1, 7, 0 and 1. So now I need to apply the algorithm, that is the least recently used LRU algorithm I need to apply. So what you need to do here in order to apply this one, I told you this is just opposite to optimal algorithm. So you need to search in the backward direction. So I need to insert 2, right? Because 2 is not in the frame. I need to insert 2. So whom you need to consider in order to replace 7, 0 or 1. So you need to search in this direction. Okay, so suppose if you want to insert 2, so search in left direction. Okay, in this way you need to search. Okay, I'm going to write box under this one. Okay, so I need to replace 2. So I'm going to search in this order. In the optimal we searched in right direction. So now I'm going to search in a left direction, that is a backward direction. Okay, so here 7, 0, 1, it is here itself. I cannot replace, least recently I'm used this one. So next 1, after 1 0 is there, next recent one, and then 7 is the least recent. Okay, 7 is in the last position, so you should consider 7. Okay, 1 here itself. Okay, immediate to 2, and then 0 next immediate to 1. So 7 I should consider because it's last in the list. Okay, so I'm going to replace 7 with the 2, and remaining thing you write it as it is. And next 0, it's there, don't consider this one. And then we need to insert 3, right box under that one, and the place we need to search, right? So start searching in this direction, left direction. So 2, 0, 1 we need to search. 0, it's here only, very immediate position, we cannot replace 0. And 2, it's next to this 0, and 1 is the last one compared to this 2, 0, 1. I'm going to consider 1. Okay, so replace 3 with 1, and 2, 0 I'm going to retain. So next coming element is 0. 0 already in frame, don't consider this one. And the next element coming is 4. 4 we need to replace. Whom I'm going to consider? Search from this side, left side, towards the left of 4. 0 here itself. 3 also here it's there. And 0 is having a second occurrence. You need to consider first occurrence. So it's already here. So 0, 3, 2 in the last place. So I'm going to replace with 2. So next I need to insert 2. 2 is not in the frame. So whom I need to consider now? So search it. 4, it's here itself. Don't replace with 4. 0 next to 4. 3, it's last compared to 403. Okay, it's here. So I'm going to replace with 3 and retain the elements. And again next 3 it's not in a frame. Okay, so replace this 3 with the element 2 here itself, 4 also here, 0 is the last compared to 402. 0 is coming in the last, so replace with 0. 4 3 2 and 0 we need to insert. 0 is not in the list, so again write the box. We need to consider 4 3 2. We need to compare 3 here itself, 2 here and 4 at the last place, so replace 4 with a 0. 3 2 and 3 we don't want, 2 also we don't want. So coming to 1, consider the location. So 2 here itself, 3 here and 0 in the last place, so I'm going to replace 0. 3 2 and 2 we don't require, 0 we want. So 2 here itself, 1 also here and 3 in the last place, so I'm going to replace 3. So here 1 0 2. 1 I don't want, I want 7. Whom I need to replace? 1 here itself, 0 here and 2 in the last place compared to these 3. So I'm going to replace with 7. 7 with a 2. So 0 already it's there, don't want, 1 also there. So count the tables now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 page faults. That completes the entire problem. This problem can be asked for 10 marks, and they will ask another question which is going to give you the least page fault. So you just check it. FIFO has given 15 page fault, optimal 9 page fault and the LRU 12 page faults. So optimal is the best page replacement algorithm compared to FIFO and LRU. Okay. So we'll see the next example in the next video.